Quick question. How many apps do you have open right now just to keep your social media running? One tab to write a caption, another to reformat it for a different platform, another to check if yesterday's post actually did anything. If you are managing more than one account, whether that is your own brand or a handful of clients, you already know this routine eats hours every single week, and none of those hours actually grow anything. So today, I am showing you a free AI agent called SureThing that takes that entire routine off your plate. It researches what is trending in your niche, writes posts that actually sound like you, publishes them across every platform you use, tracks your analytics across all of them in one place, and even manages your inbox while you focus on the parts of your business that actually need you. And before we get into it, if you sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment, you get 1,650 free AI credits to start. That is 1,000 credits just for creating your account, another 150 every single day you log in, and 500 bonus credits through my link. So, stay with me, because this is genuinely one of the most useful AI agents I have used this year. So what exactly is SureThing? It is built for agencies and solopreneurs running multiple channels, whether that is one brand or several clients at once. It automates repetitive tasks, it cuts down your operating costs, it helps you make decisions based on real data instead of guesswork, and it frees up your time so you can spend it on strategy instead of busy work. Getting started takes about a minute. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment, then log in with your Google account. Once you are in, you will be asked to choose an AI agent to start with. I am going to pick social media automation, and that drops you straight onto the SureThing homepage. Before doing anything else, it is worth keeping things organized, so let's create a project first. From the left panel, click the plus icon and name your project. I am calling mine Social Media Automation, and you can add a short description too. Something like AI agent that researches trends, drafts posts in your voice, and auto-publishes across LinkedIn, X, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, YouTube, and Telegram. Then hit Create. Now, let's connect SureThing to my YouTube channel so it actually has something to work with. Click the app connector inside the chat box, or click Integrations from the left panel. SureThing connects to over 1,000 apps, so instead of juggling separate tools for everything, you manage it all from one place. I will search for YouTube and click to connect. You will be asked to log into the associated account and select your channel if you have more than one under it. Authorize, and in seconds, SureThing is connected to your YouTube account. Here is the part that actually changes how this tool works for you. SureThing has memory, and it remembers who you are every single time you log in. Your niche, your audience, your tone, your posting schedule, all of it. Unlike most AI tools that forget you the moment you close the tab, I type this in. I run Alex Best Digital, a YouTube channel focused on AI tools, faceless channel automation, and online business content for beginner to intermediate creators. I keep my tone clear, practical, and encouraging. I post 3 times a week. I hit send, and SureThing stored that permanently. I will never have to introduce myself to it again. From now on, everything it writes comes out sounding like me, in my tone, automatically. Now that SureThing knows who I am and what kind of content I make, this is where it gets interesting. I can connect every other platform I use, so that from here on, it drafts and posts content across all of them automatically. Connecting an account is simple. Click this icon, and you will see over 1,000 apps to choose from. Let's filter by marketing and social media. First up is X. Make sure you are logged in, and if you have extra security enabled, you will be asked for a code. Click Authorize, and in seconds, the account is connected. Next, let's link Instagram. Click Connect, follow the prompts, and allow SureThing access. Now Facebook. Click Connect and log in with the associated email and password. You can follow the exact same steps to connect TikTok, LinkedIn, Reddit, or any other platform you want to cross-post to. And just like that, SureThing is linked to every account and ready to start working on my behalf. Here is where it gets genuinely impressive. SureThing can monitor social media trends in real time, then draft and publish content in your own voice, automatically, at the times your audience is most active. Here is how. I typed, Research what is trending in the AI tools and faceless YouTube automation space right now, then build me a 1-week content calendar for YouTube, Instagram, X, and Facebook, with a post idea for each day based on those trends. It came back with a full week planned out, backed by real-time data, complete with a posting schedule, a content idea for each platform every day, and production tips to go with it. From here, you can ask it to write a full YouTube script for the first topic, draft every social post on the calendar, turn the whole thing into a running weekly content engine that reports back to you automatically, or simply tell it what to do next. For this one, I asked it to draft Monday's posts for X, Instagram, and Facebook. SureThing did not hand back generic copy. It wrote in my own voice, in my exact tone. A full Instagram post with hashtags, a separate version built for X, and another built for Facebook, all ready to publish. You can also attach media like images and video straight from here. And these are not drafts sitting in a queue waiting on me. SureThing can publish across every connected account at once. Watch this. I typed, go ahead and post them on their respective accounts. Look at that. It is live. Here it is on X. Here is the same content, reformatted on Facebook. Instagram is still holding on the reel since I have not uploaded the video for that one yet. Every post you just saw was written and published by AI, not by me. One more thing worth pointing out, every one of these platforms supports connecting multiple accounts inside SureThing. So, if you are an agency running 5 different client accounts, or a creator managing several brands, you are not logging into 5 different tools anymore. Everything lives in one workspace, which removes a massive amount of repetitive work. And remember, everything you just watched happened without spending a single credit out of pocket. Signing up through the link in the description gets you 1,650 free AI credits, 1,000 for creating the account, 150 every day you log in, and 500 extra through my link. Beyond posting, SureThing can also build you a full dashboard so you can track every account's performance in one place, views, engagement, growth, all of it, without jumping between 5 different apps. I asked it, build me a dashboard that tracks views, engagement, and growth across my YouTube, Instagram, X, and Facebook accounts in one place. The results surprised me, and it lives permanently under Pages, so you can pull it up anytime you visit the agent. It tracks your total audience and views across every connected platform, breaks down individual analytics per account, and plots your growth curve so you can see exactly how each platform is performing in real time. Below that, you get your top performing content by views, updated daily. Instead of logging into 5 accounts and refreshing analytics by hand, you get the full picture under one roof, and you can actually see whether what you are doing is working. And if client emails are burying you, SureThing can also build you an email management system that reads incoming messages and drafts replies automatically, saving you hours every week. First, connect your Gmail account so the agent has access. Go to Apps and connect Gmail. Once that was linked, I asked it, build me an email management system that reads my incoming client emails and drafts replies automatically. The whole system was ready in seconds. To make replies sound genuinely like you, feed it more context, things like your brand partnership contacts, your email signature, and any other details that shape how you communicate. Every task like this lives under routines, which is one of the most underrated parts of this agent. Instead of everything scattered across tabs and tools, it is organized in one place, so you can actually work efficiently instead of babysitting 5 different apps. So that is SureThing. One AI agent that researches trends, writes and posts in your voice, publishes across every major platform, tracks your results in a live dashboard, and even runs your inbox for you. If you manage more than one social account, this is worth trying while it is free. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. And remember, signing up gets you 1,650 free AI credits. Go set it up, and I will see you in the next one.